呢度咧就係 Burleigh Heads 嘅海灘，喺全澳洲咧好多時咧即係話最出名嘅海灘咧10個咧，好多時咧就5名之內都喺呢度噶啦。但係我又唔係好清楚點解即係會喺呢度，因為咧我睇到咧就係話係前面個海灘我睇到，如果係講靚又前面嗰啲海灘仲靚，但係咧好多時咧就係排名咧呢度係最 top 嘅5個咯，其中一個咯，所以我覺得我自己都唔係好明。可能咧就係個背景咧有嗰個 Surfers Paradise 啦，但係呢度咧就好多本地人過嚟咯，就滑浪咧就假期啊滑浪啊就比較多啲。呢度咧就唔係咁好泊車嘅，禮拜六、禮拜日啊假期啊好多一家大細呢度玩，同埋咧就可以行山咯，海邊咁樣有個山仔可以行下。呢度離開嗰個新南威爾斯邊境就唔係好遠㗎啦，應該唔使20分鐘就到嗰個新南威爾斯嘅邊界。呢度都幾靚啊！呢個平時咧我哋就行山嘅山上，咁啊呢度咧就係因為水唔係好深啊，呢度好淺嘅，好多人咯，因為依家學生放假啦，所以咧就人比較多啲咯。呢個海灘都 popular 㗎呢個，因為水好淺啊，海水入嚟咯，你可以望一望。你睇嗰啲好似嗰啲叢林嘅生得好密，入邊可以行山啊，嗰度幾好噶，好多樹蔭咯。呢度係黃金海岸其中一個海灘。因為除咗呢個海灘咧，從Speed 嗰度咧就係 Speed 嗰個海灘啦，Man Beach 嘅海灘啦 ，Surfers 嘅海灘啦，跟住咧就係 Bob Beach Waters 啦，海灘啦，跟住咧 Miami 啦 Mermaid 啦，就一直一路落都不斷有海灘，一直去到 Burleigh Heads 啦呢度啦，所以咧就最唔缺嘅就係海灘。非常靚嗰啲海灘啦，大人啊、細路啊，一家大細玩水啊嚇。特別有啲海灘咧，有啲水係好淺嘅，一家大細喺呢度玩，有燒嘢食啊、picnic 啊，非常開心。有啲人咧就行出去嗰度釣魚咯，嗰度都係一個好靚嘅釣魚嘅地方。如果係你下晝嘅時間咧，你有譬如話係6、7點鐘咧，就見到嗰啲僆仔喺度釣魚比較多，有啲細路咧喺嗰度跳水咯，仲喺橋嗰度跳落嚟。嚟到呢度非常之靚啲景，俾你睇下，你睇幾靚嘅沙灘，前面就係 Surfers Paradise， 呢度係 Mermaid Beach， 嗰度 Tweed Heads 啦，嗰度就係新南威爾斯同埋嗰個昆士蘭嘅個交界，個城市嘅 Tweed Heads。頭先咧，我哋喺嗰個 Burleigh Heads 嘅海灘咧，就係嗰度啦。依家我哋嚟到呢一邊啦，咁啊係咪好靚啊海灘？啲沙好幼啊，好靚，好啫嚇。昆士蘭就係咁啊，就海灘就一流啊。咩味呢？因為呢個位置比較高啲，所以嗰個景靚嚇。好得嘅。嚇，呢個係火雞係嘛？
火雞係一條
火雞啊！
野生，好食。
呢度咧就係 Miami Beach 啦。咁你見到嗰個旗咧就紅黃旗咧，咁啊紅黃旗之間咧你就可以游水。如果紅黃旗之間以外嗰啲咧就冇人睇嘅，所以咧最好唔好游水咯，費事危險咯。仲有嗰啲砂塘啊，呢啲沙又係好靚啊！所以黃金海岸咧就係話係最靚就係呢啲沙，你睇下，俾你睇，係咪有嗰啲白塘啊？有嗰啲白塘啊！嗱，你睇。呢位老先生咧，咁啊之前咧我就喺呢度咧就見過佢嘅，咁咧就佢咧就習慣咧就餵啲雀仔啦，呢啲雀仔全部都係野生嘅，咁咧就佢認得呢個阿伯咯，咁咧平時咧就同佢玩啦嚇，你睇呢啲雀仔咧，其實係野生嘅，全部都係，呢種雀仔其實係好惡㗎。
Nice little birds, though.
Yeah. A wild bird.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used to do it with owls in England.
Yeah.
And that was back in 1953.
Yeah,
Well, I'm 81 now and I still have that.
So you come here every day?
Yeah, I live just over here.
Oh, you live here. Okay. You feeding them? Every day?
Every day.
Yeah, okay. What do you feed them?
Pork or beef or all that.
They eat meat. Meat lover.
They're all carnivorous, yeah.
Oh, okay.
But I used to do it with owls in England.
Really? Oh, okay.
But it was interesting. Like,
Okay.
I spent,
So all the birds recognize you.
yeah, they recognise me.
Okay.
Even when I've got, even if it's raining, I put a wetsuit on,
Yeah.
I put over my head, and
They still can
they
recognize you.
still know me. Yeah.
Oh, really?
It's amazing, isn't it?
So you've been feeding them for a long time? For how many years?
Oh, 1953. 62 years I've been here. I came over here when I was 19.
Oh,
Because-
that is a long time. Oh,
Good job, mate. You watch.
oh yeah. Okay. Lick.
You what's that? That one's only about 14, 15 months old. So it's very
Really? 40, 50 months ago? Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Oh,
You
younger
what-
than the one, the
black
black
and
one.
white. Yeah, those are about 3 onwards.
Oh.
But they only go to about 9 or 10. So
Oh.
you what's this?
Oh.
That's shot. They will attack brown snakes in here.
Oh, okay.
Brown snakes up to about 2 meters.
Really?
Yeah. I've seen them attack an eagle with a t- with a t-
eagle. 呢個雀咧喺澳洲入邊咧係好惡嗰啲雀嚟㗎。我試過咧，即係喺另外一個叫做 Hotter 嘅位置咧，因為唔知係咪嗰個雀巢嘅咧，咁咧就咧佢有雀巢咧，又唔知係有 BB 定咩咧，佢會襲擊人喎。佢呢隻雀係好特別，但係咧可能好熟呢個阿伯啦咁啦，所以呢個阿伯咧日日餵佢咧就幾十年啦，就好熟悉佢哋嘅即係雀仔嘅雀性啊！行落去嗰個海灘啦，去睇一睇呢度嘅海灘係點樣，睇有冇機會係捉得到咧嗰個蜆啦。澳洲呢度特別係黃金海岸有嗰啲蜆，但係咧好似有季節性嘅，咁唔知咩時間係比較多啲，我就唔係好清楚啦。即係意思咧，有時候咧就好難捉。我上次咧就試過捉咗好多隻，但係咧試過咧，因為入邊咧就好多沙，即係搞唔掂，所以咧一咬落去都係沙嚟㗎。嚟到澳洲沙灘有一個必做嘅親子活動，就係捉蜆。只要兩隻腳踩住個沙灘上邊，左右擺下，當你個腳掘到硬啲啲嘅嘢，就可能中獎，係蜆嚟㗎。就係呢啲蜆咯，啲蜆係嘛？呢個係細隻嘅，有啲好大隻，係咪好靚咧？
爸爸捉蜆捉得咁開心，我哋都係唔好阻住佢啦。希望大家鍾意呢條片，睇實拍實說，記得 CLS comment like share 我哋嘅 YouTube channel 支持我哋啦。下次見。
Sandy and Grady Production，大地海外升學。